session, just we had a discussion about, have you remembered input and output statements? Just we started, sir. Correct? Input and output statements, just we started. So related to almost third chapter related to our Python course. Sir, just if you want to read the dynamic input, then automatically we should go for which function? Input is the function. We have Python provide inbuilt function. Input is the function to read the dynamic input from the keyboard. Have you remembered, right, sir? X is equal to input of enter some number or enter some value. Okay, enter something from the keyboard. If you want to enter something from the keyboard, if you want, then automatically we should go for what? Input function, right? But the problem with this input function is, this input function is always, sir, going to return which type? Anyone, can you please tell? Sir, whatever you are trying to enter sorry, from the keyboard, whatever we are trying to enter from the keyboard, it is always going to be considered as string type only. If you want to convert into the corresponding type, can you please guide what is the way, sir? Anyone, can you please tell what is the way? Sir, compulsory we should go for, okay, if you want int type, then automatically we should go for int. If you want a float type, then we should go for float. Bool, like there are several. This is one way. Another way is there, eval. Regarding another way is also there, eval function. We covered already very clearly about this one, sir. Sir, even I explained a small example. Read the employee data. Regarding read employee data and print to the console. Regarding and print to the console, like we covered, sir, employee number, employee name, employee salary, employee address, whether employee married or not, like such type of information we are trying to read from the keyboard, and just I printed that to the console back. Okay, next one more special thing I covered, how to read multiple values from the keyboard. Regarding how to read multiple values from the keyboard, we discussed it, right? Okay, how you can able to read multiple values from the keyboard. Okay, that part also even I discussed by using split function, right? Okay, next a special discussion, sir, we did related to eval function. Regarding a special discussion we did related to eval function, right? Okay, next sir, even just I started about command line arguments also. Just we started, right? Okay, so this part also we discussed already. Here we have to discuss just two important loopholes. So that part I will discuss anyway, right? Okay, so just for a minute. Yes, sir. Sir, in the last even I covered about command line arguments also. I hope you people may remember, right? Okay, sir, now command line arguments, whatever arguments you are passing from the command prompt. Okay, py test.py. I want to execute my Python program, sir. I want to execute my Python program. Then what we have to call, sir, py test.py, like this. So while executing Python program, if you want, you can send some command line arguments also. Yes, it is possible. How you can, sir, whatever arguments you are passing from the command prompt, these arguments by default considered as command line arguments. Remember that, sir. Within the Python program, how you can able to read these command line arguments? There is one special variable we require to use, argv. Regarding what is the special variable we require to use, right? Argv. This is the special variable we require to use. So by using that, we can able to read, right? So argv is a list. Sir. In this list, this is the first one, and this one is the second one, and it is the third one. Make sure, sir. So argv itself is point into this one. Regarding it is the list, sir. So the name of the Python program will become first element, which is, sir, whose index is 0. Sir, 1, 2, 3. Make sure, sir, in Java, in some other languages, index first value is nothing but first one only. But in C language or Python language, okay, C language and Python language, so index, I mean first, sir, 0th index element is nothing but name of the file. That's why If you want to access values, better to read from one index onwards. Remember that, sir, because 0 index already reserved for the name of the file. That's why highly recommended, compulsory we should go for one index onwards. Remember that, sir. Sir, now my question is, I have one Python program is there, sir. Just I have one Python program is there, sir. Test.py is the name of the Python program, right? Sir, now my requirement here is, sir, I want to read the data whatever I'm passing from the command prompt at the command line argument. How you can able to do? Can you please tell which variable I have to use? Please guide. Which variable I have to use? argv. Regarding which variable I require to use? argv. This is the variable we require to use, right? But this variable present inside which module, sir? Sys module. Remember that. In which module it is available, sir? Sys, system module. Regarding system module. That's why if you want to use this one, compulsory import statement must be required. Please guys, sir, I forgot. How you can able to write import? From sys import argv. That's all. So from the sys module, can you please import argv? Now, sir, argv variable. Okay, argv variable available for our Python program. That's all, sir. Sir, now what I want to do is, I want to read all the values. I want to read all the values, right? Now, sir, print of argv. That's all. Can you please print that list of argv? That's all. I'm not writing any big code. Let me open command prompt. Now I'm taking, sir, py test.py 10, 20, 30. Can you please guide, sir, argv contain all these 4 values. Are you getting right? argv contain all these 4 values, right? Okay, make sure, sir, all these 4 values are there. So now if you want to observe the, yes, man, I'm trying to print argv, right? Yes, this is the first value, this is the second value, this is the third value, this is the fourth value, right? Okay, now, sir, my requirement is, don't consider name of the program. Are you getting it? Don't consider name of the file. What I have to do here, can you please consider only values I want. I don't want all values. I don't want the name of the file. Then what I will take, args, some other variable x like this is equal to argv, sir, from 1, okay, like this. Sir, from 1 index onwards until end, 1 colon, you are not specifying anything, means end. Sir, from 1 index onwards, consider that sub part, can you please assign to args? Remember this one, sir. Can you please assign to args? Now, can you please print args only? Now observe, same thing I'm trying to take, 10, 20, 30. Are you getting right? Sir, same thing if I'm trying to take 10, 20, 30, by default you are going to get. Up to that, any doubt? Are you getting? Sir, inside which memory? Sanket, sir, all the objects are going to be stored in the heap area, because in Python everything is an object. Remember that. Okay, now I hope you people can aware. Sir, that's all. This is about what is the, just I want to get only the values. Sir, in Java or some other languages, you can able to get one by one. What is the way, sir? What is the way? Sir, something like for x in args. Are getting, for every x value present inside args, print of x. Sir, now I'm trying to get first value, second value, third value, like this I'm trying to get, sir. Now, what is the way? Are you getting? What is the way? Can you please observe that? 10, 20, 30. By default, we are going to get. Everyone can able to understand? Yes, man. Everyone can able to understand? Okay, that's all. This is the way how you can able to read the data from the keyboard command line arguments. Remember that, sir. Next, here related to this one, sir, even I covered one small chota example in the last session, matter of 2 minutes. Just have a look once, sir. Suppose my requirement is, yes, my requirement is, what is the way, sir? Java, yes, Python, okay, test.py, 10, 20, 30, 40, I'm taking. Listen this one, 10, 20, 30, 40, I'm taking. Sir, my requirement is, sir, I want to print the sum of the values. The sum of the values, whatever you are passing. Yesterday's session I covered, matter of 2 minutes, so that we will sync in the continuation, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, whatever numbers you are going to pass, sir, I want to print the sum. I want to print the sum. How you can able to do that, sir? Can you please guide? ARGS is equal to, ARGS is equal to ARGB of 1. Okay. Now I'm getting only values, right? Only values. Now, sir, sum is equal to 0, I'm taking. Sir, at the beginning, what is the sum value, sir? 0. I'm taking one temporary variable, I'm taking, sir. Sum is equal to 0. Like this, I'm taking, sir. Now, ARGS is equal to, sir, first ARGB of 1. Now, for X in ARGB, ARGS. For X in ARGS, okay? Now, take a bit very special care. Sir, now everything present inside ARGS or present inside ARGB, always consider string form only. Are you getting right? Always going to consider which forms are string form only. That's why we require to convert into number type. N is equal to int of X. Are you getting? N is equal to int of X. String we are trying to convert into number type. I mean int type. Now sum is equal to sum plus n. Are you getting? Sum is equal to sum plus n. That's all. Okay. This cycle by default will be repeated for every element present inside ARGS. Are you getting it? For every element present inside ARGS, this cycle by default will be repeated. So add whatever the numbers you are passing to some variable. That's what we are going to do that, sir. Now print of the sum. Now the print of the sum is sum like this, I'm taking, sir. Sir, what is the sum value? Sum like this we are going to take. Okay, remember that. Yes, Prudhvi. Yes, you can able to take sum a plus equal to n also. No problem at all. Short words you can able to take, acceptable. Okay, like here also compound assignment operators are there, but only increment and decrement operators are not available. Remember. Now have a look once. If I can take, sir, my intention is I'm not going to take anything. What will happen, sir? I'm not going to take anything. Then what is the value, sir? 0. Are you getting? I'm not passing any value. Then automatically 0. Sum is the 0. Now I'm passing only one value. Okay, only one value. That's why 0. Sir, if I can take 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. Sir, now P by test the 10, 20, 30 like this. Now the sum is nothing but 60 by default. Like you can pass any number of values, the sum by default is going to provide, sir. Remember that. Now, Sir Raja is asking one small doubt. Sir, this SUM is a reserved word or any variable you can use? Can you please guide? SUM is a reserved word or any variable you can use? Yes, any variable you can use. It is not a reserved word. Are you getting that? You can use anything, any identifier you are allowed to use. No problem at all, sir. Something like every sum I'm going to replace with ABC. Are you getting? Every sum I'm going to replace with ABC. That's all. Now there is no more sum. ABC like this. Yes, 100% pakka. It's going to work. Don't worry about that. Okay, that's all. Sir, this is, sir, how you can read the command line arguments data. Just only 2 words you people should be aware. Here, if you want to access command line argument, ARGV variable must be required, which is the predefined. Next and after the sys module you require to use. ARGV variable is available inside sys module. Remember that, sir. Okay, that's all. Okay, what is the next thing we have to take? What is the next thing we require to consider is here. Just to take a bit very special care, like yeah. Can I go to the next level? Up to this is the clear for all of you, right? Yes, man. Up to this clear, right? Okay, that's all. Next Sir, what is the next cinema we require to talk? Here there are two important conclusions are there, sir. What those conclusions is? Remember, usually space is the separator between command line arguments. Are getting usually space is the separator between command line arguments. Have you observed, right? Sir, first command line argument, second command line argument, third command line argument. Okay, like sir, what is this space? Space is the separator between command line arguments. Remember that, sir. Okay, now my requirement is okay, sir, my command line argument itself contains a space. Command line argument itself contains a space, sir. Then how you can handle that is about your doubt. Even in Java also, it is one small technique we require to apply. Here also the same technique I will explain. But before that, there are two or more doubts are there. Just let me review. Sir, ARGV stands for argument vector. Abdul, sir, may not assume that argument values. Regarding V means values. We are going to pass values because in Python vector such type of terminology not there. Just you can consider arg values, command line argument values, ARGV. Okay, like maybe there is no specific kind of thing is there, sir. Next, sir, some will Vishnu is asking the doubt. Sir, will some variable have garbage value? So garbage values, such type of terminology not applicable in Python. Remember that. If I declare a variable, if I'm not providing any value, then some garbage value by default will be stored. In C language, I hope it is applicable, but in Python, no garbage value, such type of thing. Whenever you are declaring a variable, compulsory you require to perform initialization for that. Remember that. Okay, that's all. Next, what is ARGV? ARGV is the variable which can be used to access. ARGV is the variable which can be used to access these command line arguments. Remember that it is a predefined argument. Remember, Suresh, I hope clear. Next, ARGC present in Python as like C language? No, sir. No. Sir, only ARGV it is available. ARGC is not available. That's all. Sir, garbage collector concept is applicable in the Python. Remember that in the whoops concept I will discuss. Sanket, garbage collector is there. If an object no longer useful, that object will be destroyed by garbage collector. Just like Java, here also garbage collector concept is there. Don't worry. Even constructor, destructor concept also applicable in the Python. Okay, we are going to discuss in detail in the whoops concept. Don't worry. Okay, that's all. Can I continue further? All the doubts got clarified, I hope. Now, have a look once, sir. Observe that. Sir, I want to print the command line arguments. Regarding I want to print command line arguments, right? Sir, print of ARGV of 1 I'm passing. Regarding ARGV of 1 I'm passing. Okay, this is about my code. So now my requirement is ARGV1 means excluding name of the file, the first command line argument. I mean 1th index. 1th index is like this, right? Okay, well, sir, I'm taking py test 10. Can you please guide what is the output we are going to get now? If I run like this, what is the output by default we are going to get, sir? 10. Okay, whatever you are passing, that value, right? So now my requirement is I'm taking Sunny Leone. Okay, are getting that? Sunny Leone, like this I'm taking, sir. Can you please tell what is the output by default you are going to get now? Please respond. What is the output by default you are going to get now? ARGV of 1. Sir, obviously Sunny, because once we are taking space, then automatically it is considered as new command line argument. But my requirement is total thing is considered single command line argument only. That's about my requirement. Hey, I don't want Sunny. I want Sunny Leone. Please consider this total thing as only one command line argument only. So just let me run first. What is the output by default? We are going to get only Sunny. Okay, we are going to get only Sunny. But I want Sunny Leone. How you can able to do is better to take within double quotes. Are you getting? Within double quotes. Better to take within double quotes. Remember that. Here, single quotes are not allowed. Devendra Kumar, take very special care. Sir, single quotes are not allowed. Compulsory we should pass double quotes only. Observe that. Observe that. Now I'm getting Sunny Leone. Okay, now my question is, let me take a single quote. Actually, even within the single quote also, it is treated as a string only. What will happen? Let me cross check, sir. Can you please observe? Can you please have a look once? Okay, single quote if you are taking, but I'm not getting Sunny Leone. That's why. So here within the program, you are allowed to use either single quote or double quote, but from the command prompt, compulsory you require to pass within double quotes only. Remember that, sir. Okay, that's any doubt? Are you getting right? Are you able to understand? So here compulsory, we require to take double quotes or single quotes. Double quotes or single quotes. Atal, double quotes or single quotes? Compulsory double quotes only. Single quotes are not allowed because command line arguments. Sir, who is the responsible to create that list? Are you getting? Who is the responsible to create that list with the, whatever command line arguments you are passing, sir? Okay, I'm passing 10, 20, 30. Sir, whatever command line arguments we are passing, sir, who is the responsible to create the list, sir? My Python virtual machine is the responsible to create that. Okay, I'm not responsible. Python virtual machine. How this Python virtual machine is going to consider if you are taking within double quote? If quotes are not there, then automatically one command line argument, second one, third one, like this. If quotes are there, compulsory it is going to consider double quotes only. Like that, this PVM is implemented to create a list ARGB by command line by Python virtual machine, right? Okay, who is the responsible to create? Python virtual machine is the responsible. Python virtual machine is going to consider within double quotes. Then only it is considered as one command line argument. Remember that. If I'm doing that, I know whether it is a single quote or double quote, no problem at all. But here someone is doing, so that's why that person understandable form is nothing but double quotes. Clear, right? Okay, sir, make sure. Sir, this is the first conclusion. Let me repeat again. What the first conclusion is? Usually space is the separator between command line arguments. If our command line argument itself contains a space, then we should enclose within double quotes but not in single quotes. Remember that, sir. Within double quotes but not in single quotes. Remember, that's all. This is the first one. Yes, Hussein. Similar to JVM, in Python, PVM is there. Python virtual machine. Now, there is one more thing is there, sir. I hope you know already this one. I don't think, sir, this is a new point for you people, right? I hope you people already aware. Sir, I'm taking ARGV1 plus ARGV of 2. Remember that I'm taking, this is my code. ARGV of 1 plus ARGV of 2, like this I'm taking, sir. Now, py, tester.py, tester.py. Next I'm taking, sir. Next I'm taking 10, 20. Can you please guide what is the output we are going to get? Observe the code. Yes, 10 and 20 I am passing. ARGV of 1 plus ARGV of 2. What is the answer by default we are going to consider? Yes. Are you getting? What is the output by default we are going to get, sir? Sir, I'm passing py, tester.py. Next time after that 10 and then 20. 10 under 20. Yeah, the arguments I'm passing. Can you please guide what is the output by default we are going to get? How many people? 10 under 20 means 12. Oh, yeah, Alok, Lavanya, how you can feel? 1, 2. Can you please tell what is the output by default we are going to get? Yes? Good. Yes. Okay. Sir, now take a bit very special care. Within the Python program, command line arguments always going to consider in the string form. Already we know. Always going to consider in the string form. I know. We know already, right? Now my question is already in the string form already considered. Now do you know it is a string and this one is also string, sir. So string plus a string then plus operator is always acts as, sir, concatenation operator, but not arithmetic addition operator. I hope even in Java also it is applicable, sir. So string plus a string, plus means concatenation, but not arithmetic addition. That's why 10 and 20 after concatenation, what is the output by default we are going to get? 10, 20 as a single string. This is the output we are going to get. Clear, right? So here within the Python program, it's always available in the form of string only. That's why now observe a bit very carefully. 10, 20 I'm taking, sir. What is the answer? 10, 20. What is the answer by default you are going to get? 10, 20 by default is the output by default we are going to get. Clear? Clear? I hope. Not required to keep explanation. Now, sir, what I want? I don't want. Sir, can you please consider as the numbers, sir? Can you please consider as the numbers? These are not string values. Please consider the numbers. There we require to convert into a number explicitly by using typecast functions. Okay, argv of 1, can you please convert it to int type? Similarly, sir, argv of 2, can you please convert into int type? Remember that, sir. Okay, sir, the numbers by default, can you please consider like this? Okay, what is the output by default you are going to get, sir? Okay, listen a bit carefully. The simple answer now that you are going to get. Okay, so within the Python program, command line arguments always available in string form. If you want into number, compulsory you require to take into int type. That's all. Okay, this is also one conclusion. Next, last conclusion, sir. Last conclusion related to this command line arguments, sir. Very simple, sir. Sir, what's my conclusion is, sir, I'm passing Java tester 1020. Java tester 1020 I'm passing. Now I'm taking args v, sir, argv, like this I'm taking. Sir, now I'm going to take argv of 100. Argv of 100 I'm taking, sir. Sir, you are passing just only 1 or 2. You are passing only 1 or 2. But you are asking about 100th command line argument. Anyone, can you please guess what will happen? Yes. What will happen? Error. Obviously, sir. Error. No question of default value 0. Atul. No question of default value is 0 and so on. Immediately error. Array, your list contain, your list size is only 2 things. Only this is the first one. Second one, 0 index is applicable. 1 index is applicable. Where is the 100th index? Immediately we are going to get index error. Are you getting that? Immediately we are going to get index error, list index out of range. Immediately we are going to get index error, list index out of range. By default we are going to get. Clear? Are you getting right? Okay, like Devendra Kumar. Yes, you can use eval function also instead of int in the previous example. Yes, you can do that. No problem. That's all, sir. These are multiple cases what you people should be aware related to input statements, right? Now, everyone in this session by default can able to read the data if I pass from the command prompt. Yes, man? Are you able to read the data if I pass from the command prompt? Possible or not? Yes. Okay. Next, everyone in a position to prompt user to enter some data and you can able to read. Are you getting? If you want to prompt user, so then we should go for input function. So by using input function, we can able to read the dynamic data from the keyboard. Remember that. Next, and after that, is there any length limit? No length limits, sir. You can take huge number also. No problem at all. Okay, that's all, Sanket. This is about command line arguments, input statements, right? Now I'm ready to go for output statement. Sir, can you please print output statement? What are various possibilities are there? Sir, I'm already using print to print something. But here multiple stories are there. Are you getting right? So don't feel, sir, just already print we are using. So here there's a big stories are there. All those things we are going to talk. So output statements. Up to this we cover how you can give input to the program. Now from the program, how you can print output. Outputs are that part we require to discuss. Output statement. Very simple. We can use print function to display output. Sir, anyway, print function, but multiple options are there. We can use print function to print to display some output to the console. Sir, multiple forms are available. Form 1. Remember that? Form 1. Form 1. Sir, I'm taking print without any argument. Can you please tell what will happen? Print without any argument. What will happen? Ayo, respond, man. Good. Print without any argument. What will happen? Sir, it will add one new line. Remember this one, sir. It will add one new line. Observe that very carefully, sir. So you can just print one blank line if you want. Then we can go for print statement. Remember, sir, if you observe that, I'm taking print of hello. Print of hello. Next one after that, print of hi, like this I'm taking, sir. Print of hello, print of hi, like this I'm taking. Sir, now observe the output. Observe the output, sir. Hello, hello, and then immediately next line hi is there. But now in the middle, just I'm taking print, sir. I'm taking print. Wherever one blank line you required in Python, just you have to use print. That's all. Okay, wherever blank line is there, you require to use print. That's it, right? Okay, but the output by default you are going to get hello. Observe the difference. Observe the difference here. Hello, immediately hi is there, but here hello and then hi in the middle. Are you getting? One blank line by default will be there. If you want blank line, then automatically print. This is the first form. Sir, what is the second form, sir? Okay, print of which value written by print method. Sanket, none. Print method won't return anything. Okay, here what is the third one, sir? Second option, print of string. Remember, this is the second form. Sir, just pass some string, pass some string happily. Do you know it's going to print the data? Pass some string happily, it's going to print some data, right? No problem at all, sir. Something like print hello. Hello, I'm taking. Are you getting? Print hello, I'm taking. It's going to print hello. Just now I told, right? But in this string, if you want, you can use escape characters also. In this, if you want, you can use escape characters also. Remember that, sir. How you can able to use escape characters? Very simple, sir. Very simple. Suppose Durga software is there, sir. Durga software is there. Now Durga software, I want the \n. Sir, what is the meaning of \n? Anyone can you please tell? What is the meaning of \n? \n means new line. Are you getting? The \n means what? New line. New line. Now have a look once. Sir, let me take this is, observe the output by default we are going to get. Durga software. So in that string, escape characters are allowed. No problem at all. Even \t solutions. Observe \t is I hope Durga is the first line. Second line is like this, and then in the middle, sir, tab symbol is there, \t. We can allow to use escape characters also. No problem at all. Next, even this string we can specify. Even this string we can use with the multiplication operation. Multiplication operation and sir, I mean plus operator star also you are allowed to use. What it means we will discuss, right? But before that, sir, either for the string double quotes are mandatory or not? Can you please guide? Double quotes are mandatory or not? Double quotes are mandatory or not? Yes. Either double quotes you can take, or single quotes you can take, or triple quotes you can take. In Python, sir, all possibilities are there. Either double quotes or triple quotes or single quotes. Three types of quotes are there. If you can enclose within single quote, double quote, or triple quote, always consider the string within the Python program. Next one after that, \n and \t. Why we have to call? What we are? \n means to print the remaining data in the next line. This is called escape character. Backslash T means space in between these two. Have you observed? Durga, after that software solutions is coming. Next here, because of backslash T, space is coming in the middle. Means you are allowed to use, no problem at all. Okay. Sir, without quotes, if you are going to pass, then is it going to consider as a string? Without quotes, if you are passing, is it considered as a string? No chance at all. Sir, my Python will give left and right. Hey, it is a variable. Where you declare this variable? Where you declare this variable? Like the problem by default is going to come. Sir, syntax error, unexpected character or something like you are going to get, sir. Okay, that's all. Quotes are mandatory. This is about the string format. Okay, well. Next, even we can use star operator. Star operator and plus operator also. Plus operators also we can use, right? Sir, how you can able to use star and plus? We covered already in the last session. 10 or otherwise, sorry, 3 into Durga, like this I'm taking. Sir, is it allowed or not? Is it allowed or not? 3 into Durga means what will happen? Durga is going to be considered how many times? How many times? 3 times. This is called, sir, this is called multiplication operator or string repetition operator. Remember that, sir. So, what is the output by default you are going to get? No problem at all. Durga, like it's going to get. Next, even plus operator also you are allowed to use. Happily you can take plus also, right? Durga plus software. Durga plus software by default we are going to take, sir. Remember what is the output? Durga software by default we are going to get. So plus means concatenation, star means multiplication, like that we can use. But make sure, sir, I hope I covered already in the last sessions. I covered already in the last sessions, right? So if you want, you can take, sir, here just observe the difference between these two things, right? Okay, now 3 into Durga. Remember that. Whenever we are using star operator for the string, what is the rule? Do you have any rule? If you are using star operator for the string, what is the rule? Yes, there is some rule is there. What is that rule? Is compulsory one argument should be number type, int type, second argument should be string type. Remember that, sir. So if you want, you can take here and here, interchanging the arguments, no problem at all. But one argument, it may be first or second, one argument should be string type, the other argument should be int type. This is the rule related to star. Next, the plus operator. If you want to apply plus operator between for the strings, compulsory both arguments should be string type only. Especially the people who are coming from Java background, they are always going to consider, sir, Durga plus 2 is nothing but like Durga plus 2, Durga 2 is going to work. It is applicable only for Java but not for the Python. Remember this one, sir. It is applicable only for Java but not for the Python. Just observe carefully, sir. If I can take Durga plus 2, immediately, sir, must be string, not int. Like this, we are going to get error. Okay, like if both are int type, no problem. If both are int type, then it's not concatenation, arithmetic addition. 3 plus 2 is nothing but 5 by default. Sir, not required to give much explanation. Already you people aware, right? Next, I have one small chota difference there, sir. What is the difference is? Observe carefully about my next point, sir. Sir, I'm taking legend carefully, sir. Durga plus software, and then I'm taking Durga comma software. What is the difference between these two things? Anyone? Durga plus a software, Durga comma software. What is the answer by default? Yes. Don't tell comma. Sir, earlier you used plus symbol, but in the second line you are using comma. That is the difference, sir. Like no. Yeah. Here some people are telling comma is the difference. In the output I'm talking, man. Very simple. Here this total thing will be concatenated. That's why I'm going to get the output. Yes, Durga software. Because how many arguments are there? two arguments will become only one. Concatenation, after concatenation, only one argument. That argument itself is nothing but Durga software. Are getting that argument itself is Durga software, right? Okay, make sure it is acceptable. But if I can take Durga, comma software, Durga, comma software, how many arguments I'm passing? How many arguments I'm passing? Two arguments, sir. If you pass multiple arguments, sir, this facility is available only in Python. Remember that, sir. For the print with comma separation, any number of arguments you can pass. Durga, comma software, comma solutions, comma Amirpet or comma Hyderabad, like any number of arguments you can pass. This type of facility is applicable only in the Python. But other languages like Java, immediately compiler will give left and right. Remember that. In Java, you can print only one value at a time by using one SOP statement. But in print by using Python print statement, you can able to print any number of arguments, no problem. Next, if multiple arguments are there, there at the time of printing, these arguments will be separated with the space. Remember this one, sir. Are you seeing the difference? Are you seeing the difference, right? Sir, these arguments, what is the separation? While printing, there is some separation in there. What is that separation, sir? Space is the separation. Observe. Yes, man. Clear? Okay, what is the difference between first one and second one? Maybe a chance in the interview, whether you are, you are observing this type of loopholes or not, like maybe a chance to ask, what is the difference between first line and second line? Yes, there is a difference is there. That difference is nothing but space, right? Okay. Now, this is just one small tricky thing for the interview room sake. Now, what I want to take here is, sir, print statement with the variable number of arguments. Remember this one. Print statement with the variable number of arguments. With the variable number of arguments. Sir, you can pass any number of arguments, just how I told. You can pass any number of arguments, just how I told, right? Sir, print of, how you can able to do? Print of, okay. Sir, first argument, second argument, third argument, fourth argument, like any number of arguments you can able to pass. No problem at all. Acceptable in Python, but not in other languages like Java. I told, right? So now here one small twist is there. Observe that. I'm taking here just I'm trying to take here A comma B comma C is equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30. Acceptable or not? Yes, the new members don't get shocked. Acceptable or not? Yes, acceptable. What is the A value? 10. What is the A value? 10. B value 20, C value 30. Yes, in Python acceptable, sir. In Python itself is acceptable. No problem at all. Okay, sir. Now what I'm trying to take here is the result or the values are I'm taking, sir, first value, second value, third value, like this I'm taking. The values are A comma B comma C, like this I'm taking. Can you please confirm how many values I'm passing? How many arguments I'm passing? Here, respond, man. How many arguments I'm passing? Hey, 4 arguments. 4 arguments. Here, string argument. Next, int argument. Sir, how many arguments I'm passing, sir? 4 arguments. 4 arguments I'm going to pass. Okay. Now, while printing, anyone can you please confirm exact output I'm going to get? Exact output, sir. The values are space 10 space 20 space 30. Are getting? First argument space, second argument space, like, sir, have you observed, right? Here between first argument and second argument one space, second argument third argument space, third argument fourth argument space is available. Okay, like, make sure. Now let me cross check. Already I covered this point. But here the values are 10, 20, 30 by default you are going to get. Perfect. Now listen, a bit dangerous point. I don't want space, man. I don't want space. I want some other separator. That's about my requirement, right? Okay, sir, I'm taking here D. Sir, D40 I'm taking. I want sir, I don't want space. I want some other separator, sir. How you can able to do that, sir? If you print like this, what the answer? Please respond. What is the answer? Immediately you have to tell. What is the answer we are going to get? 10 space 20 space 30 space 40. That is the default answer we are going to get, sir. 10, 20, 30, 40 with a space. Now I have to tell, hey, don't include space. Don't include space. I want comma. I want comma, or I want colon symbol in the middle. Sir, how you can able to specify? There is one special attribute we have to use, SEP attribute. Again, what is the attribute name? What is the attribute name? SEP. What is that? SEP means separator. Are you getting? Which separator you want? Default separator is the space separator. Now I'm taking SEP is equal to, sir, which separator you want, sir? Comma separator I want. Are you getting? At the end, you have to specify comma separator. Okay. Now, let me run this code. Now, let me run this code. Let me run this code. What is the output we are going to get, sir? 10, 20, 30, 40. Are you able to understand? 10, 20, 30, 40. Now, comma separator came in the picture, but earlier space separator is there. Hey, I don't want comma also, man. I want colon. I want colon. You can take anything, man. You can take anything, any symbol. Colon. Now, 10, colon, 20, colon, 30, colon, 40. By default, you are going to get. Are you getting? 10, colon, 20, colon, 30, colon, 40. By default, you are going to get. Sir, I don't want any separator, sir. I don't want any separator, sir. 10, 20, 30, 40. Together I want, sir. Don't keep any separator. Please guide. Please guide. How you have to take? Sir, I don't want any separator, sir. Without separator, 10, 20, 30, 40. Immediately I want. What I will take? Just quotes open, quotes close. Just quotes open, quotes close. Hey, remove column, no, Avinash. Okay, quotes open, quotes close. That's all. SEP. Then nothing is there, sir. Nothing is there here. Okay. So then what is the output by default you are going to get? Yes, like this. 10, 20, 30, 40, right. Clear? Next, at a time, you are allowed to specify only one separator allowed. How you can able to specify multiple? Okay, that's all. So this is the output whatever we are going to get. So everyone can able to understand separator attribute. Yes. No need of multiple separators. At a time you have to tell, yes, man, this is the first separator. This is the only separator I want. That's all. That is the normal style. Can you please tell? Sir, I hope everyone can able to understand separator attribute, right? What is the next cinema? I'm ready to go for next cinema. Observe that SEP, very common user attribute in our programming, sir. Remember that. Next, I'm going to take, sir, print of. Here observe, same thing I'm taking, print of A. Here see this one. No, Raja, that facility is not there. Only for the first two variable separator. Remaining two things, I don't want separator. Then automatically what you require to do? Yes, there is a possibility. First two things only you have to print A, comma, B. A, comma, B, comma. SEP is equal to which separator you want, comma separator I want, comma separator I want. Then automatically go for new print statement, C, comma, D, C, comma, D. Then which separator I want, colon separator. I hope are you getting right? This type of thing we can able to do that, no problem at all, sir. Okay, sir, what is the next possibility, right? Yes. Can I use any symbol to in between? Gausia, can you please tell which symbol you want? Which symbol you want? Can you please tell some sample? Ayo. Dollar. Yes, why not? Dollar is also separator. Why not? Why not? C, comma, D. C, comma, D. Separator is instead of comma colon, dollar I'm taking. Instead of dollar I'm taking. Then automatically observe that $10, $20, $30, 40 acceptable. Okay, any symbol, which symbol you are specifying, that thing by default is going to be considered. Remember that, sir. Okay, I hope it's clear for all of you, right? Okay, that's all. Now what is the next thing we have to discuss? Okay, just observe a bit very carefully, sir. Separator attribute we discussed already, right? Now there is one more concept is there. What is that? Another concept is, listen a bit carefully, end attribute. Are you getting that? There is separate another attribute is there. What is that attribute? Is end attribute, right? Sir, what is the meaning of this end attribute? Very simple. Very simple. Sir, I'm taking print of A. Next, print of B, C, D, like this I'm taking A, B, C, and then D I'm taking, sir. A, B, C, D, like this I'm taking. Can you please observe? What is the output by default we are getting? Anyone, can you please guide? What is the output we are going to get? Devendra Kumar, yes, string dot format is there in Python. Yes, so there is some such type of facility is there, Devendra. We may discuss, don't worry. Can you please guide how the output will come? That's about my requirement. How the output is going to come? Yes, the required output is always going to come. First 10, next 20, next 30, next 40. Are you getting 10, 20, 30, 40? By default, we are going to get. Correct, right? 10, 20, 30, 40. This is the output by default we are going to get. Okay, every time after printing, by default, new line is going to come. Next thing, by default, new line is going to come, sir. That is our style. Right? But now my requirement is, I don't want new style, man. I want all these things in the same line only. Sir, how you can able to do that? After this print, end is equal to, okay, end. By default value for end attribute is, what is the default value for end attribute is new line. Remember this one, sir, \n. But I don't want a new line, sir. If you don't want new line, then nothing is there, sir. End. You can able to take, sir. Sir, end is equal to nothing. Sir, end is equal to nothing. End is equal to nothing, sir. Like so, after A, what is the next one? Nothing, man. Nothing. So B will be continued immediately. After B, what is the next? Nothing. C will be continued in the same line. Sir, after C, what is the end? Nothing. D will be continued immediately. Then the total, can you please guess what is the output we are going to get now? Ayo, what is the output by default we are going to get now? Sir, 10, 20, 30, 40, continuation is going to come in the picture. Are you getting? Now, am I getting the same thing or not? Yes. Sir, I want multiple print statements only. But after this, I want some 3 spaces. 1 space, 2nd space, 3rd space. After A, 2 spaces. But after C, only 1 space. Are you getting? If I can take, what is the output by default we are going to get? 10, 3 spaces, 20, 2 spaces, 30, 1 space, 40. Getting clear? 10, 20, 30. Here 3 spaces are there, but here 2 spaces are there, but here 1 space is there. Okay. What is the purpose of this end attribute, sir? Which is going to play very important role while printing data. Make sure, sir. Okay. So especially puzzles. I want to create something like at your childhood. Have you remembered, right? Okay. At your childhood, sir, something like we have to take star mark. Regarding we have to take star mark. Next and after that we have to take star mark. Sir, can you please create? Sir, one palindrome or one triangle like this. One triangle, something like you may have. Sir, you may have this type of things, right? After this, sir, space I want. Next and after that, new line, something like while printing this type of patterns, this end attribute, separator attribute play very important role. That's why make sure, sir. So these are the 2 attributes what you people should aware. Clear? Yes. Okay. What is the next thing what we have to discuss? That's all. Only these 2 are the attributes whatever we have, sir. What is the next one we require to take, sir? What is the next form? Next form is print of object. Print of object. Sir, up to this I took print with separators, string argument separators like print of object. So we can pass any object, sir, any object like list. Next and after the tuple, next a set, list, tuple, set, like any kind of object, any type of object you can pass to the print statement, no problem at all. Happily it is going to print the content. Best example here, let me take L is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. What is this one, sir? Anyone, can you please tell what is this L? L means what? Respond. In the last sessions I explained list. T is equal to 10, 20, 30, or otherwise 50, 60, 50, 60, 70, 80, like this I'm taking, sir. Okay, LT. Second one is nothing but tuple, like we covered already, right? Okay, the new members especially just go through our old videos, then you can get much clarity. Sir, it is one object which is holding list object. T is nothing but tuple. Now, can you please print L? Next and after that, can you please print T? Sir, this is not a string list object, tuple object like this. Any type of object you can pass, no problem at all. Now the corresponding output by default we are going to get. Clear, right? This is about what is the form 5, something print of object. Next, one more print statement I have to discuss. Observe that, sir, print of, legend very carefully about this one, sir. Print of, okay, one string argument you can take. Sir, one string argument you can take, sir. String argument you can take, comma, variable list. Any number of variables you can able to pass. What it means, right? One string, and then you can pass any number of arguments, no problem at all. Okay, like how you can able to do that, sir. Sir, just very simple, sir. Very simple. Observe the S1. S is equal to Durga. I'm taking Durga. A is equal to 48. I'm taking. Observe carefully, sir. S is equal to Durga. A is equal to, next S1 is equal to Java. I'm taking. S1 is equal to Java. S2 is equal to Python. Like this I'm taking, sir. Python like this I'm taking. Yes, A, S1, S2 like that. Sir, now I'm taking print of hello. Yes. Okay. Your age is. A. I'm taking. Hello. Yes. Your age is A. I hope you can able to see. Sir, hello. Next one after that, S means Durga. Your age is, sir, 48. Something like I'm taking. Your age is 48. Like this, right? Sir, now print of you are teaching. Okay, comma S1 and S2. S1 and S2. Are you getting? Sir, you can pass any number of arguments like this, man. Like this. First string, another number, another string, another boolean. Any type of thing you can pass, no problem at all. Are you getting? Hello, Durga. Your age is 48. You are teaching Java and Python, something like. But in Java, do you know, you are not having this type of facility, sir. Have you remembered, right? You are not having this type of facility. What you have to do is, if you want to print hello, yes, your age is, then system.out.println. Okay, what I have to take? Hello plus yes, and then plus are you getting space, your age, and so on. Such type of nonsense by default will be there in Java. But Python is a very cute person. Have you observed? Very simple. Happily you can able to pass like this. Clear? Any doubt? So is it possible to pass variable number of arguments or not? Yes, I'm not talking about 2 arguments, 3 arguments, 4 arguments. Any number of arguments happily you are allowed to pass. Itself is acceptable. Okay, like next the question. Next one, print of here. What is the next? Formatted string. Sir, very commonly used, sir. Remember that formatted string compulsory we require to use. Yes, someone asked, who is that? Prudvi or otherwise Devendra Kumar? Someone asked about this one. Prudvi, I hope. Sir, you know, we can pass, sir, string dot format. String dot format. Like there is some concept is there in the Python. Yes, happily we are allowed to use that. How you can able to do that, sir? Okay, print of formatted string. So before that, just aware percentage I. Sir, just aware these words because I'm going to use this one. Percentage I. Next, percentage D. Next, percentage I, percentage D, percentage F. Next, percentage S. Like this we can take. Percentage I means int type. Int value. Percentage D is also means int value only. Percentage F means float value. Float value. Percentage S means string type. String type, right? Sir, how many values are there? Percentage I, percentage D, percentage F, and then percentage S. Next, the percentage I and percentage D both are same. No problem at all, sir. In some other languages, we are going to use percentage D, sometimes percentage I. That's why both flexibilities are there. Okay, for a Sanket. No difference at all. Both are same. You can use either percentage I or percentage D. Okay, percentage I means int value, percentage D means sir decimal value. I mean what we call digit or decimal number. Like both the things are same in Python, no difference at all. Now how I can able to use, right? What is the syntax for that? Sir, more concentration please. Okay, more concentration please. Observe that. Print of. You can take formatted string. You can take some formatted string. Comma. Sir, in this formatted string, if you are taking anywhere percentage I, percentage D, percentage S, and so on, where you have to provide the variables, corresponding variable, here we have to provide. Can you please have a look? This is formatted string. This is formatted string. Under then percentage symbol. After that variables. After that variables we are going to take, sir. Sir, can you explain with a small chota example so that we can get much clarity? Like you people may ask. Very simple, sir. Here I'm taking just let me go for a small example, but better to keep these things in your mind. Here, this is our formatted string, format, right? Let me take A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, C is equal to 30 is there, sir. Sir, total how many variables are there? Please respond. How many variables are there? How many variables are there? Three variables are there, sir. Now print of A value is, just I'm taking A value is percentage D. A value is percentage D. Sir, percentage D means I'm talking about A. What is the, can you please consider in this place? Can you please consider A value? In this place, can you please consider A value? Then percentage followed by variable. How many variables are there? Only one variable. That's why directly you can take A. Percentage A. If you have multiple variable, then parentheses are required. Remember that. Then parentheses are required. If you are not taking multiple variable, then only one variable without parentheses you can take percentage A. A value is. Okay. Let me execute this code. Let me execute after this. I commented this line. Okay. For the output, A value. Here just take a bit very special care. Very special care. Percentage. Here just observe a bit very carefully about this one. What is the small thing? We should not use comma. Observe. By overlook I missed. We should not use comma. Remember that. We should not use comma. Okay? We should not use comma. Listen. Clear? Observe. Now let me execute this code. A value is a 10. A value is a 10. Like this, suppose B and C values also I want to print, sir. Now observe. Now my requirement is, okay, B value is string format, sir. B value is percentage D, and C value is percentage D again and then space percentage. What is the first percentage D? Means B value. What is the second percentage B? Means C value. Like this you have to take. Clear? Sir, have you observed? Here what thing is there? Space. Space, not comma. Not comma, space. Can you please have a look once? B value is the 20. C value is 30. Correct? Ayo. Respond, man. Correct? I hope you can able to understand, right? Next, can we use percentage B comma percentage C? I don't think, Atul. I don't think. Clear, right? Next, the speciality of this formatting. By default, you are going to see Prithvi, Avinash. Okay, we are going to see the speciality. There is some advantages there because of this formatting. Yes, the next level you are going to see that. Don't worry about this. Just the formatting, we are at very elementary level we are discussing. That's why you may not see, sir, this one without specialty with comma separator also you can able to do like. But more flexibilities are there because of this one. Our life will become very easy because of this formatting, sir. Now I'm taking just another example. Another example I'm taking. Just first familiar with this first format, right? Okay, sir. Print of. Just I'm taking. There are two variables I'm taking. S is equal to Durga. I'm taking. L is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. I'm taking. Sir, one variable yes, one variable leave. Next, print of hello. Print of hello percentage yes. Percentage yes. Because if you want to take a string, percentage yes we require to take. The list of items are. The list of items are. The list of items are percentage yes. I'm taking. Sir, that's all. The list of items are percentage yes. Sir, now take a bit very special care. First one talks about yes. Second one talks about L. That's my intention. Sir, space percentage, yes, comma L. Yes, comma L. Observe that output. Have a look once. Hello, Durga. The list of items are 10, 20, 30, 40. By default, we are going to get. Sir, are you able to see? Are you able to see if anywhere argument is there? If anywhere argument is there, what you can able to do, that thing we can replace with the formation symbol, percentage I or percentage D or percentage yes, like this. At last, sir, what is this one and what is this? Like you can able to specify. This is very top level formatting. So I mean at very basic level formatting, right? Now my next level requirement, observe another type of formatting I want to explain. Another type of formatting, right? Sir, name is equal to Durga. I'm taking one more example, sir. Name is equal to Durga like this I'm taking. Salary, your salary is equal to 10,000 like this. One into value is there. Next one after that, I have one girlfriend also. My girlfriend name is Sunny like this I'm taking. Just observe that. So name, salary, and then sir girlfriend like this it is there. Now I want to print my required output is I want to print hello Durga, your salary is 10,000. Your salary is 10,000 and your girlfriend is sir your friend, okay, your friend Sunny is waiting. Something like I want to print hello Durga, your friend is Sunny waiting like this. This type of format I want to do that. Sir, do you know the people, some people ask her, especially I hope Avinash, Sir, can you just what there you can able to do with a normal print statement with comma separation also. I want to do that. I want to do that. Print what I have to take. Can you please this type of output? Avinash, can you please guide without formatting? I want to take normally with comma separator. What is the way? Hello, please respond. Hello, and then what I have to take? Name. Hello, name, comma. Next one after that, hello, name. So your salary is salary, comma, comma. Sir, and your can you please guide, sir? And your girlfriend or your friend, okay, comma, comma. Sir, gf is waiting, like this I'm taking. This is about I took this one 100% pakka. It's going to work, sir. Don't keep any doubt at all. Yes, definitely it's going to work. Hello, Durga, your salary is 10,000 and your friend Sunny is waiting. Something like I took. But anyway, take a bit very special care. Sir, hello, and then name, and then your salary, and then salary, and then like definitely if you really is going to type this statement, whether you got pain or not, I got the pain. Because sir, variable is there, comma, take that variable and again start the string, undertake the variable, comma, take the variable, and so on. Definitely it is a bit sir, irritation to the programmer. Sir, I don't want to take like this. Just I'm taking print of hello. Just observe a bit very carefully, sir. Hello, just I'm taking hello, replacement operator. No problem. It is also one type of formatting, sir. Hello. So your salary, your salary is and your friend, sir, your friend is waiting, and your friend is waiting. That's all. I'm not taking with the comma that variable dot and so on. Dot format First thing you have to replace with the name. Second thing you require to replace with the salary. Third thing you require to replace with the GF. Okay, that's all. Can you please observe? Yes, someone asked about format. I hope are you able to see, right? Yes, ma'am. Okay, now wherever variable is there, just the curly brace open and close. This is nothing but replacement operator. Hello, replacement, your salary is replacement, your friend is replacement, dot format off, like this, right? Now let me print, let me execute this code. Am I getting the same output or not? Yes, I'm getting the same output. Then which one is the easy to the programmer? Like second one is the very easy. Remember this one. So not only here, there are multiple format methods are there, but I may not discuss in the session all the format, almost around 12 forms of format method I'm going to share in the string concept. Remember, just we are at very beginning, right? String as a separate concept I will discuss. There 12 formats of format method I'm going to share, so which is going to help for like anything, sir. Next, even there is another way is also there about this one. Okay, let me remove this line. I don't want. Just there is another way is also there, sir. What is that way? Is observe a bit carefully. If you want, you can take numbers also. 0th one, 1 and then 2. 1 and then 2. 0 means name, 1 means salary, 2 means GF. Are you getting that? So now if you are taking 2, if you are taking 0, if you are taking 1, then automatically order by default will be changed. Hello, 2 means what? 0, 1, 2. 2 means what? GF. GF value is nothing but Sunny. Hello, Sunny. Your salary is 0 means what? Durga. And your friend is 10,000 is waiting. Something like if you want, you can take numbers to identify that. Okay. If these arguments, if you are passing in different order, then you can able to take numbers also. Acceptable. Observe. Are you getting right? Here it is going to take second. 2. 2 means 0, 1, 2. It is considered that. Next, here 0 means Durga is considering. Next and after that, 1 means 10,000 is considered. Okay, like you can able to take. If the different arguments are there, then you can identify with respect to this option is also there. 0, 1, 2, perfectly it's going to work. There is one more option is also there, sir. What is that? That option is, sir, I don't want to worry about order. In which order these things are there, I don't know that. What I will take is, okay, hello, X, hello, Y. Next and after that, Z. X, Y, Z. Something like I'm taking. Now, X, here just observe that. Z means, hello, X, your salary is Y and a friend Z is waiting. Z is equal to, what is the meaning of Z, sir? GF, comma. What is the meaning of Y, sir? Y means salary. Okay, comma, what is the X, sir? X means name. In any order you can take. Sir, then wherever X is there, X value is going to be considered. Wherever Y is there, Y value will be considered. Z is there, Z value will be considered. Otherwise, we are not required to worry. That option is also possible. Clear? Are you able to understand? Yes, sir. Just one technical word. This operator. Yes, curly brace open and close. This operator is also known as replacement operator. This operator is called replacement operator. That's all, sir. Okay. So this is about the end of this is about end of input and output. Remember that. Yes, Sanket, you are asking some doubt. Is a name also one method? No. It may be something like a predefined variable. Predefined variables also we can use for our own variables. No problem at all. Okay, name somewhere it may be predefined variable.